Okay, good morning everyone. Screen is visible.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So in the last lab, you have a workshop of web technology. Before that, we have completed the advanced command and filter commands. And I hope all of you have uploaded practical 1 and 2 on a Google Classroom because deadline for that was yesterday. Today we are going to start the shell script. So first of all, we need to identify what is shell, what is shell script, how to write and where to write that shell script. So first of all, shell script is nothing but a one kind of program which is done in a Unix by using a cell. There are many uh, corn cells, C cell, base cell. So these all are the interpreter which provides the platform where we can run the program. So in general, for your understanding, if I say in a C language you are doing the programming and then compilation or interpretation of that program and you will get the output. Similar here in a Unix Linux, you will write the program in terms of script and cell will run it and give you the output. So in a Linux, this is the first method. In a Linux, if you have installed the Ubuntu or any other operating system which is based on Linux, simply you can write like this: open the text editor, write the program in the text file, and then save it with the .sh extension. .sh it means shell script or base sh, and then after go to the terminal and जहाँ पे आपने फाइल स्टोर की है उसका पाथ cd कमांड से वहां तक आ जाओ टर्मिनल में, फिर उसको रन करेंगे हम sh फाइल नेम .sh से, तो हो जाएगी. But right now we are going online, so there are few online compilers. When you write like this, Linux, okay, you can write shell script, online compiler. When you write like this, shell script online compiler, you will find lots of online compiler in that online GDB. You are aware with this online GDB because in a data structure we have used this thing in online mode. Then after tutorials points, repl.it and so many Rexstar and so many that compilers are available. We are going to run on a repl.it because it's a very easy GUI. You can also use the another alternative terminals. So in this REPL, you can find here base cell environment, base, Python, Node.js, C, Java. You can select anyone, but when you write a shell script online compiler, you will directly find repl.it/languages/base. So no need to change anything. Now here you need to write the program or script, and after run it you will get the output here. Let's by default echo hello world is given. Let's run it, you will get the output here. Okay, so this is the compiler. Here if you have observed, when we have completed that basic commands, at that time we have written echo without single double quotation. So now question is, with double quotation and without double quotation, will it work? Yes. Both way it will work. Here it is. Let me erase the word. Here it is. You can see the output. Okay. So this way you can run it. This is very simple and easy. Now let's start with the basic of the shell scripts. So for that, already you are aware with the basic commands and advanced command and filters command. Based on that commands, you can write this script here, and according to that you will get the output. In short, आप जो C लैंग्वेज में कर रहे थे, कोई भी डेफिनेशन से प्रोग्राम लिख रहे थे, हैज इंक्लूड वॉइड मेन इंटीजर ए बी सी ब्ला ब्ला ब्ला, सो वो आपको यहाँ पे लिखना है, सिर्फ नोटेशंस चेंज होंगे। तो आप देख सकते हो प्रिंटफ की जगह इको मैंने लिया तो यहाँ पे इको आ रहा है, ठीक है। दिस इज द इको इज द बेसिक कमांड। बेसिक कमांड में मैंने एक्सप्लेन किया था, इफ यू वर प्रेजेंट देन। ओके, सो लेट्स have first basic echo enter a. Now read a. As you know, read command will take a input from user. Again I am writing echo a is equals to a की वैल्यू प्रिंट करने के लिए क्या यूज कर सकते हैं हम? हाउ वी कैन प्रिंट द वैल्यू ऑफ a? कैन एनीवन? I told you, remember all the basic commands, especially FAQs जो frequently used होते हैं वो echo, read, expr. To print the value of that variable, use the $sign. I demo this thing in previous lab. जब बेसिक कमांड्स करवाए थे तब ये डेमो भी दिया था। सपोज यहाँ पे आपने क्लिक किया एंटर ए, आई एम एंटरिंग 5, a is equals to 5, so this is the number a. Clear? Now can anyone have an idea of expr command? Everyone should have an idea of expr command because all of you are gone through the basic commands, and I told you specially see the expr command and include this command in a basic command. Can anyone? For expression, yes. How we can write the expr command? What is the syntax of it? expr.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
EXPR operand 1, operation and operand 2.
Okay. Good. બે વીક પહેલા જે કીધું હતું એ કામ નથી કર્યું તો તમે વિચાર કરો કે હમણાં થર્ડ સેમની એક્ઝામ આવીને ઊભી રહેશે ત્યારે તમને શું યાદ હશે થર્ડ સેમ? Generally we are writing C is equals to A plus B in a C language. Here we can write C is equals to A plus B, but as you know we cannot get the value of A plus B here. It will write the A plus B as it is in an echo. For that we need a second number. Let's first have a second number. Echo enter B, read B, echo B is equals to $B. Okay. Here if we write C is equals to A plus B, and as you said expr A plus B, here single quotation is not required, but it is a not single quotation. See your tilde key, वन ની બાજુમાં તમારી જે ટિલ્ડ કી છે ત્યાં એક સાઇન હશે આવી, ઈ યુઝ થશે અહીંયા expr A plus B. Let's run it. Will it give error or something else? I don't know. Yes, A plus B command not found. exit status. So here we need to write $A and $B. Let's have a C is equals to and echo $C. मैं तो कुछ लिख देता हूँ, C is equals to, okay. Yes, C is equals to 5 plus 4. That is the expression, but we are not getting the answer. So why it is happening? Already we have written here $A plus $B. So there is a error. Not, we cannot say that error, but it's a logical error. एरर होती तो एग्जीक्यूट ही नहीं होता, यहाँ पे लॉजिकल एरर है, इसलिए आंसर हमारा इनकरेक्ट आ रहा है. सो इन अ साइल स्क्रिप्ट यू नीड टू रिमेंबर हियर whenever you are writing expr at that time you need to put a space, expr space $A space operator space $B. now let's run it. स्पेस की मिस्टेक्स ज्यादा आएगी यहाँ पे. अब आंसर आ गया, c इज इक्वल टू 9. ठीक है, यहाँ पे देखो व्हेन वी आर असाइनिंग दैट एक्सप्रेशन एट दैट टाइम नो नीड टू पुट अ स्पेस हियर. c space is equals to space expr. let me try that thing whether it is working fine or not. You can see command not found, c is equals to. So let's remove the space here and again run it. So you need to check command not found, c is equals to, it means here space is not allowed. Okay, so you need to check by yourself whether there is a mistake from your side or there is a mistake of logic. So first you need to check. Clear? અહીંયા સ્પેસ નહીં આવે, અહીંયા બધે સ્પેસ આવશે. સપોઝ હું અહીંયાથી સ્પેસ કાઢું છું. લેટ મી રન. Again error. So it means यहाँ पे जोसे. And so this is the basic addition. If you have any query, any doubt, you can ask. Yes, Bhagyesh, we can multiplication addition too. Do. એટલે તમે કરી નાખ્યું છે ભાગ્યેશ?
યસ સર, કર્યું તો ડિપ્લોમામાં.
ડિપ્લોમામાં ને? આ તો તમારી ફર્સ્ટ લેબ છે ને સેલ સ્ક્રિપ્ટની?
યસ સર.
હા તો ભલે. So now all of you can do the calculator. आज मैं एडिशन कराવ્યું છે, અહીંયા ખાલી સાઇન ચેન્જ નથી કરવાની, તમારે ચારે ચાર વસ્તુ અહીંયા થવી જોઈએ. એડિશન, સબટ્રેક્શન, મલ્ટિપ્લિકેશન એન્ડ ડિવિઝન, all four together should be displayed in output. यहाँ પણ અહીંયા તમે વ્યવસ્થિત મેસેજ લખી નાખજો, એડિશન, પછી નીચે એન્ટર મારીને મલ્ટિપ્લિકેશન, સબટ્રેક્શન એન્ડ ડિવિઝન. ક્લિયર? So I am giving you a time. All of you perform the basic calculator by using this basic fundamental. Once you done this basic calculator, put a message into a chat, done. And if you have any query, any doubt, any error, then please let me know. Once you're done, please put a message. किसी का हुआ? Okay. It means all of you are doing genuinely, or all of you are doing nothing, because no one has raised the query. Sir, multiplication નથી થતું એમ.
Sir, main state was like નથી થતું.
એટલે એ તો કહું છું કે મેં એના માટે જ વેઇટ કરી હતી કે તમે શું કરો છો, because few students are searching on net. Yes, when we are doing the multiplication and when we run it, it will give the error, syntax error, because multiplication sign will not work directly. For that we need a forward slash. Okay, forward slash, then it will work. Okay. થઈ જશે બધા. Done. બાકી addition, subtraction, division will work as it is. Regular જે આપણે use કરી છે એ જ use થશે. Multiplication, forward slash, then star. Whenever you need to do the multiplication, at that time you need to use forward slash and then star. And for the comment line, you can use the hash sign. For comment line, you can use the hash sign. You can see here. Now you done this calculator, and then let me know so we can go ahead. અને હવે કેલ્ક્યુલેટર આટલી વાર ના લાગવી જોઈએ, કોપી પેસ્ટ જ કરવાનું છે.
સર
યસ,
સર ડિવિઝન કરીએ છીએ તો એક પોઈન્ટમાં આન્સર નથી આવતો, ઓનલી
હા અત્યારે ડેસિમલમાં જ રાખો, એ હું તમને પછી કરાવીશ. Last 1 minute, then after we will move forward. વાર લાગે યાર આટલી કોપી પેસ્ટ કરતા. સી લેંગ્વેજ નથી આવડતી. કંટ્રોલ વી કંટ્રોલ જેડે કામ કરે છે આ કમ્પાઇલરમાં. ડિવિઝન, મલ્ટીપ્લિકેશન, સી ડી ઈ એન્ડ એફ. વાર લાગી, 1 મિનિટ ન થઈ. ખબર નહીં બાકીના શું કરો છો. Okay, now let me delete this thing. Numbers are displayed very well. And now let's see the if into bracket condition, then bracket, and here body. This is the syntax of C language. Okay, a syntax તમે C language માં શીખ્યા. Now here if it is as it is, and then यहाँ पे स्पेस करके स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट, and here you need to write the condition. I'm writing here a greater than b, and now instead of curly bracket, open curly bracket, you need to write the then keyword. बॉडी में मैं लिख देता हूँ इको हाई, and at that replacement of closing curly bracket you need to write the 5. It means 5 is nothing a special keyword, but it is the reverse of this if no reverse છે simple. So in a Linux shell script closing જે opening છે એનું reverse થી થાય. Switch case में આપણે જોશું. So whatever you have learned in a C language, that thing we need to learn here. If else, nested, then loops, then switch case. Okay. So right now here it is if a greater than b. So a greater than b will not work. We need to put a dollar sign. Now we need to see that whether without space it will work or not. Yes, a is greater than, so echo high is there. Now let me give the yes, b is 6 and I is there. So it means if you put here space, it's okay. If you do not put the space, it's fine. But if you remove space from here, then maybe it will not work. Okay? Command not found. So compulsory here you need to put the space. So better in a general we will put if, then space, then bracket, then space, operand space, operator space, બધી જગ્યાએ સ્પેસ મૂકશું. Now days પહેલા રન કરાવી દો. Instead of greater than days gt, let's run it. 5 and 3. So b is equals to 3. Okay, is there. આપણે આ અહીંયા મેસેજ બદલાવી દઈએ. મેક્સિમમ ઇઝ ઇક્વલ્સ ટુ $a. કન્ફ્યુઝન ન થાય. Yes, maximum is equals to 5. Suppose I'm giving a b is equals to 6, so nothing will be printed. Okay, what is this gt? There are few notation. For greater than we can write this gt, for less than greater than gt, for less than this lt, फिर greater equal એના માટે તમે લખી શકશો dash ge and less than equals to માટે તમે લખી શકશો dash le equals માટે eq and not equals માટે n e dash n, sorry, you need to put the dash everywhere. So these all are the notation which you can use. Simple છે, યાદ રહે એમ છે. Okay, sign use કરશો greater than ની તો ચાલશે. These all are the notation. Done. Now this is the simple if. If I want to put the else part, then simply else, no need to write then, only write echo maximum is equals to $b. Okay, okay, let me run 5 and 9. Which one is greater? But obvious b. So answer maximum is equals to 9. So it will goes into the else part. Before this shell script, it will be terminated. Simple બાર નીકળી જતું હતું. Maximum a નતું print થતું. But e simple if હતું. અહીંયા if else થઈ ગયું. Clear? Do you have any query in if else? Do you have any query in if else?
No, sir.
So I'm stopping my screen. If you want to see, you can see it. જોઈ લ્યો, સિમ્પલ જ છે. ક્લોઝ 5 થી જ થાય. એલ્સ પછી બરોબર. જો કઈ ક્વેરી નથી તો I'm stopping my screen and you need to perform this maximum out of 2 numbers on your screen. Perform karo and then let me know your status into the chat. Simple, do the maximum out of two number. So similar way, we are going to do the few cell script basic, then after we will switch on a practical list. Basic આવડશે એટલે પાછળનું આવડી જશે. So we will do that thing. So first we will learn if else, for and everything.